Well, hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again. It has been a few months since I haven't posted a new video, and there is a reason for that. We decided to sell our house in Massachusetts and move to Florida. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the packing and the moving to Florida. Currently, we're in the process of building a very cozy coastal cottage. So because of that, the new name of the channel has been changed to the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited to share with you that we sold our house in Massachusetts in one day. And now we're packing and putting everything in a truck to drive to Florida. We're getting ready to put the piano in the truck. So to do this, we rented a piano dolly. It's much easier to move the piano with the piano dollies. My husband also set up this ramp on the garage to be able to slide down the piano into the truck. To carry the piano down this ramp, we had to do it very slowly so it doesn't roll down quickly. This piano is very heavy, it weighs like 600 pounds. We're also using this very nice dollies to move the furniture. We have mostly everything packed and ready to go into the truck. We rented a 26-foot truck to be able to put all the furniture and all the items from the house. So we don't have to make a second trip because it's a very long trip from Massachusetts to Florida. And we were lucky that we were able to fit in everything in the 26-foot truck. It took us about 2 days to load the truck, and we left on a Friday evening to avoid some traffic. We drove all the way to New York. In New York, we got a lot of traffic, even if it was already midnight. We passed New York and decided to stop in New Jersey to spend the night there. The next morning, we drove all the way to Maryland and stopped to have lunch with our son, and then we continued the trip all the way to North Carolina, where we spent the night. Once we passed Virginia, the traffic was pretty light, so we were able to make a lot of progress. We continued driving south through North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. We only made a few stops to get some lunch and also to put gas on the truck. It took us about 2.5 days to get to Florida. That night we stayed in a hotel, and the next morning we have movers helping us out to move all our belongings into the rental apartment that we're going to have while they build our house. Now that the movers move everything into the one-bedroom apartment, my husband and I have to organize all the apartment to be able to live in here for about 3 months until they finish our house. And one precious cargo that we didn't forget was our cute dog Stella. So if you see her in the video, please give Stella a big thumbs up. My friends, this is the end of the video. I hope that you join me next time in the next video so you can watch all the building process and all the selections of the materials for the house. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you next time.